Hi, my name is Guy Fredrickson. Today is Sunday, May 7th, 2023, and this is another update on the 61 Chris Craft. So I wanted to show the support system here, this cradle, before the boat gets flipped over again. So the original cradle was mimicked off the trailer, which had two logs with carpet on it at a slight angle. So when I first put the boat on this cradle, it was upright, so that worked pretty well. Everything's built out of 2x6s and 2x8s, which actually measure 1.5 by 5.5 inches and 1.5 by 7 inches. And the casters I got from Harbor Freight. I think those were rated for 600 pounds each. And then when we flipped the boat over, I built this framing here. Had it ready to go when we flipped the boat over. Just had to bolt it in place. And right now the boat is resting on the engine stringers up towards the bow. And then back here towards the transom. So when we flip the boat upright, we'll get everything ready and then take the weight off the supports, and then I'll come in here and unbolt this framing again and then get the cradle out from underneath the boat, and then flip the boat and then bring the cradle back, and then once again rest it on the carpeted logs. That's the plan. And then over here is the transom. Here's the exhaust ports. And here's that eye bolt that I'll use to flip the boat. And there's one up towards the bow. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.